Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will learn continue about the two operation for solving linear equation. In the last video, you already learned about something is quite easy, like this. 2x minus 10 equal to 20. So for this question, you will using the transposing method. You will unchange position of 2x, and then you move minus 10 from left to right. It's become to plus 10, and then you got here is 30, and now you got 2x equal to 30. Yep. So x equal to 30 divided by 2, and then you got 15. Okay, the 15 is the answer for this question. 2x minus 10 equal to 20. So how about another question? Another given equation, you got 10 minus 2x equal to 20. So this is a little bit harder than this one because in front of 2x you have the minus sign, negative sign in here. So how can you apply transposing methods for this question? Yeah, so we have two ways for solving this one. The first way, I will unchange position of 2x. The first way, I will unchange position of 2x, but I have to keep negative 2x like this. And then the other side, I will move 10 from left to right. Is become to negative 10. So for this one, you will have 20 minus 10. You got 10, and now 10 stand alone, 10 stand alone, and then 10 is captain. You got x equal to 10 on top minus 2 in the denominator positions. So 10 divided by negative 2, you will have negative 5. That is the first way. The first way, you got x equal to negative 5. The second way, you can do it like this. The second way, you will have negative 2 in this one in left hand side. So I will move negative 2x from left hand side to right hand side. It's become to 2x. And then I will unchange 10 and I move 20 from right hand side to left hand side. It's become to negative 20. So from this one, you got here is negative 10, and this is 2 times x. Okay, and you will got negative 10 stand alone, so negative 10 will be captain, divided by 2, and you got x. So this one is minus 5, x equal to minus 5. Yeah, okay. So what is the difference between these two ways? The first way we unchanging the position of negative 2x. But the second way, we move negative 2x from left hand side to right hand side in here. Okay, so in the last one, when you take the division, you always have divide fraction 10 divided by negative 2, or negative 2 divided by negative 10 divided by 2, but the result always be negative 2. Yeah, okay, that is the first example for this kind of exercise. So we move to another question. You will have 3 negative 2x equal to 5. Okay, so the first way I want to do is I will unchanging the position of negative 2x like this, and I will move 3 from left to right. It's become to 5 minus 3, and then you got here is 2. So the next step, you got 2 stand alone, 2 is captain divided by another number, so we have here is negative 1. The second way for solving this, I will move negative 2x. I will move negative 2x equal to 5, and I will have here is 2x in right hand side, because in left hand side you got negative 2x. I move it from left to right, it's become to 2x. And about 5, I will move from right to left. You got 3 minus 5 like this, and you got here is negative 2 times x. So negative 2 divided by 2 equal to x. So of course you always have negative 1 for these two ways solving this question. Yeah, two way. One way I move the main character minus 2x, and one way I keep unchanged. Okay, that is too not difficult but a little bit complicated than another question you already learned. Yeah, okay, we move to another question. 7 minus 14x equal to 21. Okay, and of course we have two ways for solving this equation, first way and one way. The first way I will unchanging this one, and then I move 7 from left to right, it become to 14, and here is minus 14x, so x equal to 14 divided by negative 14 equal to negative 1. So the next one I will move negative 14x from left to right, is become 14x in right hand side. 7 minus 21, and you got minus 14 equal to 14 times x. So you got minus 14 divided by 14, and then you got negative 1 equal to x. So that's like this. You have negative 1 is my final answer, and apply for two way. Okay. So for the next question, you can apply one of the two way, and you just write down only one way. Yeah, which one is your favorite way? You can write out, you can using that way for solving equation. So next, this question. Stop video right now, do it by yourself, and then play video and compare to my answer. Because we have two ways for solving each question, so we just compare the final result. Maybe the maybe the way I choose for this question is different from yours, but if you have the same answer with me, it doesn't matter. Okay, I will unchanging the main character, and 15 minus 9 here, this one is 6, negative 3x equal, so 6 stand alone, 6 will be on top because 6 is captain. 6 divided by negative 3, so you got here like this, x equal to 2, x equal to 2. Yeah, okay. The next one. Okay, so how can you do this? For this question, I will move negative 5x from left, I move it to right, and take 10 minus 30, and then you got minus 20 equal to 5x, and then you got x is minus 20 divided by 5, and then you got x equal to negative 4, x equal to negative 4. Okay, that is the way I solving this equation. Thank you so much for watching, and apply this transposition a little bit harder than the last one you already learned. I think you get more understand about solving linear equation. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you next time. Bye bye.